Hey everyone, I'm Kevin. Welcome to this Mini Makers instructional video. Today, I'm going to help you build this kit.
So today we're going to make the hand generator mini light. So let's lay out all the pieces that we have here. So we're going to take this long flat piece first, and this is going to be our base of our mini generator, and take this piece right here. So you're just going to wiggle that in until it fits all the way in nice and snugly. Just like so. So this might be a little difficult at first, but you just want to keep wiggling. And if it's really not going in, you can just sand down the edges and it'll go in nice and perfectly. Just like that. And so you'll notice that there are screw holes on the bottom of these. So you just want to take one of your screws, put it in, and screw it down. And so there will be two screw holes to hold these inside. The next step is to take this piece right here, and you're just going to place it on the very top. Then you're just going to take a screw and screw it in. Once you've done that, you can then try to attach the motor. So you're going to put the motor through that hole right there, and then take that tiny white gear and place it on the end of the motor. Then you're going to take one of your smaller screws, like the one I'm holding, and place it through that top hole. Then you're going to take a smaller screwdriver, and you're going to screw that in. And there's one screw on the bottom that you have to do as well. So there we go. Now, once you do that, you're going to take one of these metal rods. You see how there's two different sizes, so you're going to take the longer of the two, and you're going to thread this larger gear through it. Be sure to put the gear on something a little bit harder than fabric. So like a piece of wood would be great. Just like that. And you'll notice this is the gear without any holes in it. Then you're going to take one of these orange stopper pieces and put it on the end of the metal rod. And doing the same for the other side. Then you're going to take another of the rods, this time a smaller one, and you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to put an orange piece on the other side. Then you're just going to put that into the hole on the generator, making sure you have it oriented correctly, just like so. So there's a good view of which hole to put it in. You're going to take the other one, put it in the other hole, just up there, like so. So you want to make sure that the orange spaces are well enough where it keeps it at the right position. Now you're going to take the other piece, just like that, and put it in right there. And again, you're just going to wiggle a little bit and then hope it fits in. You want to line up the metal pole so that they go through as well. So there I am putting it in. You just want to wiggle it back and forth until you get a nice fit, and it just pops in just like that. And then you just want to put in the other two sides on the top support as well. Just like that. Perfect. And I'm just making sure everything's nice and secure. And so now we have a little bit more of screwing to do. So we gotta stabilize this whole thing. So you're gonna take 2 screws, put it on the bottom there. And put the other screw in. And then you're going to secure that top piece as well with the screw. And now we're going to attach the handle to that metal piece that's sticking out there. And then you're going to take your other smaller metal piece, put it right there. And you're going to put a rubber stopper on either side of that. And you're going to take this orange piece right here, and this is going to be the handle for your mini flashlight. Going to attach that on there. So now you can see I can turn it, and I'll turn the motor. So next you're going to have to attach the ports. So then you're going to take the larger screw and screw it in like so. Nice. And then you're just going to make sure that it's in securely so it doesn't move around. And then you're going to attach the wires into the ports. So you'll see that there's a small bit of metal on the end of the wire. You just want to clamp those ports onto that piece of metal. It's very important that it's metal to metal contact. Then you're just going to take your LED, bend it a little bit, and put it into the ports. So ideally you want the longer end in one port and the shorter leg in the other port. Now you see when you turn it, the LED will light up. And there is your mini light. Thank you very much for watching.